Question number 13. All of you read the question. Okay. In this question, angle C equals to 1 right angle. Okay. What we are getting? Angle C equals to angle C. Question number 13. Angle C equals to 1 right angle. You see, it is a triangle. It is a triangle where angle C equals to 1 right angle. And
Sir.
it is also told this is angle B and this is angle A. What is given? Angle C equals to 1 right angle. RA means right angle, okay? And also given angle B is equal to twice of angle A. Huh.
So general maths or higher maths? General maths, no?
General math.
So
You told
16.
you told exercise 6, general mathematics?
Yes, sir. But is 6.1 or 6.2, sir? Which one?
It is 6.3. Exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So what is given? Page number 144. What is given? Angle C equals to 1 right angle and angle B equals to twice of angle A, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see, in a triangle, write down, in triangle ABC, what we know? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to what? 2 right angle, right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Here we get angle A is angle A. What is angle B? Angle B equals to what? Twice of angle A. I have put the value angle B equals to twice of angle A. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then angle C equals to what? 1 right angle. This is 1 right angle is equal to 2 right angle. 2 right angle. Okay. 2 right angles. Now you see we are getting thrice angle A equals to, you see 2 right angle minus 1 right angle equals to what? 1 right angle. One right angle means what? 90 degree. 1 right angle means what? 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
We are getting 90 degree. Then angle A is equal to 30 degree. Angle A is equal to 30 degree. So what is angle B? Angle B equals to what? What is written angle B? Angle B equals to twice of angle A, right? If angle A equals to 30 degree, then angle B will be twice of angle A. That is angle B equals to 60 degree. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you please try to understand. It is 60 degree. It is 60 degree.
That's okay.
We have to prove that AB equals to 2BC. We have to prove that AB equals to twice BC. Okay, we have to prove. What is AB? It is AB. And what is BC? This is BC. That is, in this triangle, this is base BC and this is AB hypotenuse. Can you name a trigonometric ratio where base and hypotenuse are related? In which ratio we get? In which trigonometric ratio we have base and hypotenuse? Sorry. In which trigonometric ratio we have base and hypotenuse?
So I forgot. So wait, let me check.
Okay, very, very bad. Cosine, right?
Uh,
Cosine 60 degree is equal to base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. I think you should know. Cosine 60 degree equals to what? Base by hypotenuse. I repeat, cosine 60 degree, cos theta, that is called cos theta equals to base by hypotenuse.
yes,
Now,
sir.
all of you use calculator. What is the value of cos 60 degree? What is the value of cos 60 degree?
1 by
So
2.
half.
Half. That is half. Half is equal to BC by AB. Now,
Yes, sir.
we can write here AB equals to what? 2 BC. And we were told to prove this, that AB equals to twice BC. And it is done.
So can you explain it again? Why we took the cos here? Like why we performed
Okay.
that one?
That's good. We have to prove that AB equals to twice BC, where
Yes,
AB
sir.
is hypotenuse and BC is base. So which trigonometric ratio is related to base
So
and
cos
hypotenuse? So I have
theta.
taken cos
Oh,
theta, right?
yes,
Okay.
sir.
Is it done?
Done, sir.
Okay. Now go to question number 16. Question number 16. What is told here? Question number 16. Okay. You read the question. In the figure, in triangle ABC, angle B equals to 1 right angle. Okay, that's good. What is given? You see, it is angle B, which is equal to 1 right angle, right? And it is A, it is C. D is the midpoint of hypotenuse AC. Very good. This is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of the hypotenuse AC. And B and D have been joined. B and D have been joined. Okay. It is given in the question. Okay. You see. Now we have to prove that BD equals to half BC. We have to prove BD is equal to half of BC. I'm sorry, half of AC. Excuse me, sorry. BD equals to half of AC. We have to prove this. Okay. Now you see what is given. Angle B equals to 1 right angle and D is the midpoint. Read the question. What is given at first? You have to know what is given. Angle B equals to 1 right angle, D is the midpoint. Okay. Okay. Now you see one thing. There is a formula in your book. Suppose this is a semicircle. This is okay. This is a semicircle, right?
Yes, sir.
Semicircle. Now this is the center of the circle. Okay. I don't know why you are making sound. Is there any reason? Is there any reason for making sound? Okay. Now, what is the formula? Suppose we have taken a point here. Suppose. Now, if we join this,
So
then
any
the
point.
any point. The angle formed here is 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Anywhere, the angle formed here is 90 degree.
90 degree.
Anywhere, the angle formed is 90
90
degree.
degree.
Sir,
You understand?
sir, is there
Yes.
any basic reason for the angle being 90 degree?
Okay, if you want to know, I can. You see, there is a formula. There is a formula in your book, but you have not come to up to that formula. Suppose this is a circle, okay? This is the center. So this is the angle at the center, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have the same arc,
Yes, sir.
So we can take another angle at the circumference is standing on the
Yes.
same arc.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen?
Yes,
I
sir.
request you, you are humbly requested by me not to make sound, excess sound. You can talk, but no other sound, okay? Please. Now, if it is 60 degree, then it is 30 degree.
Yes, sir. We all.
You know it perhaps.
Yes, sir. We know.
Now you see, suppose this is the center, okay?
Yes, sir.
What is the angle here? 180 degree?
Yes, sir. 180 degree.
Now, suppose it is your the whole arc. This is the arc. Okay, suppose this is A, this is O, and this is B, and this is C, suppose. So, standing on this arc, AOB, okay, you see angle at the center is what? 2 right angle.
Yes, sir.
So, its half will be this. It will be 1 right. If it is 2 right angle,
Yes, sir.
according to this formula, then it will be what? 1 right angle.
If we
As it is
consider the
two
base two right angles, then the above one
Now,
will be one right angle.
it is a straight angle, definitely 2
Yes,
right
sir. So
angle.
180 degree.
Yes. So it is a straight angle that measures 180 degree. So definitely the angle at the circumference will be half the angle at the center. So
Yes, sir.
angle at the center is 2 right angles. That means angle at the circumference is half of the angle at the center, right? It is a
Yes, sir.
formula. If it is 60, it will be 30. That means if it is twice x degree, then it will be x degree. This is the formula. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So depending on this, I have told you that angle at the circumference is 90 degree. Now you see a circle can be drawn like this. Now what is this again? Suppose what is this again? What is this again? If 3 points, you see, if 3 points are not collinear means they don't lie on the same straight line. I repeat,
Yes, sir.
3 points are collinear. That means 3 points are collinear. That means this is a straight line. Here 3 points lie. 1, 2, 3, or too many points, or innumerable points are there. But I have mentioned something else. I have mentioned that they are not collinear, right? If 3 points are not collinear, that is, if they don't lie on the same straight line, then we can join it, right? Can we? And we can get a bisector. We can get another bisector, right? Is it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the intersecting point. Now, if we center it and take this radius, we can draw a circle passing through all these 3 points. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
Thinking that these are the points, A is a point, B is a point, C is a point. So it is possible to draw a circle. It is possible to draw a circle, okay?
Okay.
Passing through the points, and if the points are not collinear. Have you got me?
Yes.
Is it? Okay, that's good. Now, you see in this figure, I have drawn, the figure I have drawn here, D is the center of the circle. right?
Yes, sir.
So what we are getting here, AD equals to CD equals to BD. See the figure. This and this all are equal.
So
Why they
yes,
are
sir,
equal?
since is the midpoint, since D is the midpoint, so AD equal to
Why they are,
BC.
why they are equal? Because radii of the same circle are equal. Radii, the plural of radius is radii. Radii of the same circle are always equal. Are equal. You got it in class 8. That means if a circle is drawn and too many radii can be drawn, too many radii can be taken, and all of them are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it? And there is also a formula of circle. There is a definition of circle. You know what is the definition of a circle? Suppose a point is fixed, and if you take some points which are equidistant from the fixed point, from the fixed given point, I have taken too many points. All the points are equidistant from the fixed point. That is, they are equal. All of them are equal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we can draw a locus. This is the locus. Okay, and this is called a circle. That means if we take too many points, okay, centering a fixed point which are equidistant, then
Sir.
a,
Yes, sir.
a path can be drawn. The locus of this, a path can be drawn, and the locus of the path is called a circle. Okay.
So which one is locus?
And this is called locus. Locus, that means this is a locus. This
Okay.
path is known as a locus.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, AD equals to CD equals to BD, right? You see. Now you can tell me, you see, please look at the board. Suppose it is not given. Then what you are getting? This is 90 degree. It is given. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose it is also not given. Now can we get a semicircle?
Yes, sir. We're still getting a
ang-
semicircle.
An angle at
ABC.
the, yes, an angle at the circle. It is a circumference. It is a diameter.
Yes, sir. This.
Now it is diameter. Is it?
Yes, sir. The whole thing is a diameter. Yes, sir.
Yes, and it is the angle at the circumference, which is 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
I told you that angle at the circumference is 90 degree. I told you at first. The angle at the 90 degree, angle at the circumference is 90 degree. Okay, same
Yes,
figure.
sir.
Now, what is AC? You see, what is AC? What's about AC? AC equals to what? AC equals to AD plus CD. Now, what is AD? I have to take BD. What is AD? AD equals to BD. I can write here BD. What is CD? CD is also BD. I can write here BD. That is twice BD. So we can write BD equals to half of AC. Okay. Have you got me?
Yes, sir. What's the second statement? AC equals AD plus.
CD. You see, AC is equal to AD plus CD.
And so below that, sir, I mean, I can't see due to the light.
Okay, this one.
Yes, sir. BD plus. No,
For
sir. The
AD,
below
I
that.
have
BD plus.
BD plus BD. CD
yes,
equals
sir.
to BD. Okay.
Yes, sir. 2 BD. Yes, sir. Done.
Wait, huh? Okay. Now I am going to another important math that will be given in the exam, question number 12. All of you are required to go to question number 12, the most important math. You write in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint. Okay. Suppose it is a triangle ABC. It is a triangle ABC, and D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. AD have been joined. Okay. Write down. Let in triangle ABC. Let in triangle ABC D be the midpoint of BC. A comma D are joined. It is required to prove that it is required to prove that it is required to prove that AB plus AC greater than 2AD. AB plus AC is greater than twice AD. Construction. We extend AD up to M. Up to M. That means suppose it is M. You see, suppose it is M. We have to extend AD up to M. Suppose it is up to M. It is up to M. Condition provided DM is equal to DM is equal to AD. We join C comma M. Complete the figure. Write the particulation as well as the construction.
Sir,
Yeah.
we were doing chapter 2 of higher math. Suddenly we came to chapter 6.
But I was told to solve some maths from exercise 6.3 as you have exam on this chapter, right? On 27 or 28.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for this I'm doing this math. Now it is up to you. What will you do? Chapter exercise 2 of higher math or general mathematics? It is up to you. I don't.
Since
I
you have
don't.
started, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let's finish today. This
Yes,
anyway.
sir.
And before higher mathematics, perhaps you will get time. Okay. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now proof. Or if you think that it is done or it was done, then no need to do. If you say that sir it is done, then I will not do it. Now proof. These are the steps.
Do we have to make the box, sir? Or I mean, is it compulsory or is it optional?
Optional. And justification. Okay, write down number 1. In triangle ABD and triangle DCM, what the two triangles I have considered? I have considered this triangle and I have considered this triangle. Have you seen the triangle?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Like this. This triangle. Okay, have you seen?
Yes, sir.
And this triangle. I have considered two triangles, right? In these two triangles, what we get, you see,
Vertically opposite angle.
At first, you cannot mention BD equals to CD.
Yes, sir.
Why they were equal?
Because sir, since D is the midpoint of BC.
Write down D is the midpoint of BC. Right? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Then we can write also, you see, AD equals to DM. Why they are equal?
Construction, sir.
This equal,
Oh.
this equal, right? So by construction, I can give the side note by construction. By construction. Okay. Now you see, what else can be written to make these two triangles congruent? What else can be written?
Vertically opposite.
Is there anyone here else to let me know what else can be written here to make these two triangles congruent? Only
Triangle.
Wasi is talking. Only Wasi is talking. There is no one else here.
Sir, I'm here, sir.
So, what can be written else to make these two triangles congruent?
Sir, ADB is equal to CDM since they are vertically opposite angles and both are right angles.
No, I did not mention right angle.
So transversal.
Sir,
AB.
means they're vertically opposite angles, so they're equal.
Anyway, from class 8 I told you, but you did not remember me. Anyway, you are telling this angle and this angle are equal, right?
ABC, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the angle? ADB. But if you don't write included angle, you will get 0 mark.
Oh,
Write
yes,
down
sir. Yes. Included.
Included angle ADB.
So why do we have to write included?
In the formula, there is included. In the formula, there is included. And included angle CDM. CDM. And side note, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles, please don't make sound. Vertically opposite angles are equal. I am not really getting you. As I am using microphone, so it hurts my ears. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle DCM. Side included angle side. যে সাউন্ড করছে আমি তাকে মিউট করে দিলাম হ্যাঁ okay, let me tell me.
Sir, can you take our classes on Google Meet instead of Zoom?
Because
Sir, Google Meet gives you better quality and you won't face the problem. For example, there is no time limit. Like after 40 minutes, it gets
Google
close.
Meet.
Achha,
yes,
okay.
Okay.
And the
okay,
quality is superb. Quality is superb.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yes.
Anyway, okay, I'll try. Okay.
Yes,
Now you see. Step 2. You see. Step number 2. In triangle ACM, you see. In triangle ACM, can you write that AC plus CM is greater than AM? Perhaps you read it in class 7. What is
Yes,
the formula? What is the formula?
Sir, sum of two sides is greater than the third side.
You are again wrong, huh? Sum of actually lengths of any two sides. I am not writing length. Sum of any. The word is any. You did not mention. Sum of any two sides. Any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third. Okay. Actually, what you are getting? What is AC? AC is AC. What is CM? CM is AB. Can you remember? greater than AM. AM can be written AD plus DM. In the step 1, we have got CM equals to AB. Can you remember or not?
Yes, sir.
Now we can write here AB plus AC is greater than AD. By construction, we have also got DM equals to AD. Can you remember construction? That AD and DM are equal.
Yes, sir.
By construction, DM equals to AD by construction. So what you are getting here, AB plus AC is greater than twice AD. So our math is done. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Go to question number 20.
So, sir, what was the last line? Oh,
AB plus AC greater than 2AD. AB plus AC greater than 2AD.
okay, sir.
Question number 20. Okay, you see number 20. 23, the most important math to be given in the examination. Suppose it is a triangle ABC. You see what I am going to do. I am going to draw it again. It is a triangle ABC, A, B, C. Okay, ABC, right? Now, if we bisect it in this way, we are going to bisect the angle B like this. Can you bisect? Angle C as well as, can you bisect?
Yes, sir.
They meet at the point O. Okay. So we have to prove that angle BOC equals to is equal to 90 degree plus half of angle A. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. What do you get in triangle ABC? Can you tell me please? In triangle ABC, what do you get? Let me know. Angle A plus angle B, angle C equals to 180 degree. Talk to me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. ঠিক আছে, sir.
Now we divide by 2. Then what will we get? Half of angle A, half of angle B, half of angle C equals to 90 degree. I have divided by half because we have angle half A. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
For this we have divided by half. Oh, sorry, we have multiplied by half. That is, we have divided by 2. Now we can write half of angle B plus half of angle C is equal to 90 degree minus half of angle A. Now, can we make it or can we mark it as by equation 1?
Yes, sir.
Now you write down in triangle BOC, angle, what are the angles? Angle OBC,
Yes,
what
sir.
are the angles? OBC
BOC,
plus
OCB.
angle OCB plus angle BOC is also equal to 180 degree. It is also a triangle and sum of the 3 angles is also 180 degree. Right? Now OBC equals to what? Can you tell me please? What is OBC? OBC means, can you write OBC, this angle,
Half
can you
of
write?
AB,
Half of angle B.
ABC.
That's good. Half of angle B, half B, and OCB, half of C,
Yes, sir.
right? And BOC, we don't know, as we have to find the value of BOC. Is it?
Mm.
Now, in equation 1, what is the value of this? In equation 1,
90
what is
degree
the
minus half angle A.
Yes, 90 degree minus half of angle A. Half of angle A plus BOC equals to 180 degree. Now we can take all to the right side. That is angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 90 equals to what? 90 degree, right?
Mm.
And half minus half, it will be plus half.
Plus half.
The math is done.
Yes,
Have you got it?
yes, sir.
This will be given in the exam. You write it. By the way, are you getting a focus here?
Yes, I mean the quality is good, but if we did it in Google Meet, then the quality would have been better,
No.
sir.
It's okay. I am telling, are you getting a focus here?
No, sir.
And is it, there is no focus of lighting?
Yes, in the middle, like around lightning. Around.
Does it disturb? Or for
Little,
this,
sir.
it is that,
Sir, very slightly, like only a few letters, but it really doesn't matter that much.
actually I am using a light, okay? So the focus of the light is there and I can't remove it anyway.
Yes, sir. It's okay, sir.
I mean, no, actually the focus is disturbing you or not?
Not really, sir. No, not that much.
Okay, okay. Anyway, now this is done, but the math will be given like this. This is done. Now, what will be given in the examination, you know? In the examination, what will be given? It will be given that this is 50 degree. Angle A is 50 degree. You see, angle A is 50 degree. And nothing will be given. You will be told to determine BOC equals to what? Very easy and simple. What is the formula? BOC equals to what? 90 degree plus half of angle A. It is the formula.
Yes, sir.
That is 90 degree plus half. A equals to what? 50 degree.
Oh, sir, then it gets easier.
Right? 25 plus 90 equals to 115 degree.
Yes, sir.
Or BOC is given. Suppose BOC is given. What is the value of angle A? Have you got it? This will be given. You write down. This will be given. 100% MCQ. In MCQ exam, it will be given. You have MCQ exam or CQ exam or both?
So now
Sir, both.
sir, CQ and MCQ.
Okay, so it is important. Now, suppose if it is given, angle BOC, suppose, is given 100 degree. Now you are told angle A equals to what? Can you find it, please? Find it. Have you got me how the maths are given in the exam?
60 degree.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Sir, angle A is 60 degrees, so 90 plus half into 60.
No, you cannot say like that. You see, actually you have to put into the equation. Angle BOC, what is the formula? You have to write in the example like this. Angle BOC equals to 90 degree plus half of angle A, right? BOC
Yes,
equals to 120 degree. And this is 90 degree.
120
This
degree
is
answer, sir.
half of angle. Then you subtract, it will be 30 degree. 30 degree equals to what? Half of angle A.
Yes, sir.
So angle A equals to 60 degree.
60 degree.
Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now a math I am going to do, though it is not given in your book, but will be given in the exam. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you see the math. Suppose the same thing. It is a triangle. It is. Please don't make sound. I just don't like it.
I'm on
ABC
my
is a
mute.
triangle. It's okay. ABC is a triangle. We don't have any confusion. and AB has been extended. Suppose it is up to M. And AC has been extended. Suppose it is up to N. Okay, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ABC is a triangle, but we have extended two sides. AB and AC have been extended up to M and N respectively. Okay, now you see there is an external angle. It is an external angle. And if we bisect it, we will get a bisector like this.
Okay.
Now suppose it is O. For the last math, what we did, we just bisected this angle and this angle. But for this math, we are going to bisect the external angles. But for previous math, we bisected the internal angles, right? And this is the difference. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is to prove here? Who can tell me? Who can tell me what is to prove here? We have to prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 degree minus half of angle A. In this math, we have to prove this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now you see what you get like the previous math. Angle proof, you see. I request you, please don't make this sound. Please, I request you. Some of you or one of you is doing this. It's my request not to make sound. Okay? Again, this sound, I don't know.
I'm on mute for that.
No need to mute, just actually, you should not just get it, I mean, loudspeaker. You should use headphone or so-called earphone. Okay, you write down. In triangle ABC, exterior angle MBC. MBC is an exterior angle. Please pay attention. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Suppose this is a triangle. It is not given. Suppose this is not given. So this is now an exterior angle.
Okay.
Is equal to what?
It's
Sum of the opposite interior angles. What is the formula? Exterior angle is equal to what? Sum of the opposite interior angles. You
Yes,
know
sir.
or you don't know?
No, sir. I remember, sir.
So it is equal to A plus C, right?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose you are given this. So it was N. So it is another exterior angle,
Yes, sir.
right? So what is that? Can you tell me please? Angle BCN
BCN, sir. Yes, sir.
is equal to what?
Angle A plus B.
Angle A plus angle B. That is this angle and this angle.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Sum of the opposite interior angles. Okay, that's good. Or we can write this is equation 1. Suppose this is equation 1. Equation 2. Now what should be written? You write down, therefore, angle MBC plus angle BCN is equal to what? We are getting angle A, angle B, angle C. We are getting 2A's. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
What you are getting here? There are two angle A's, right? Please pay attention. Try to understand. Okay? Is it? Now tell me. Angle A,
Yes, sir, yes,
angle
sir.
B, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle C. This angle is extra, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you see angle MBC plus angle, it was M, plus angle BCN is equal to, it is what, 180 degree?
Hmm.
Now can you remember for the previous math what we did? We divided by 2. We divided by 2, that is half angle MBC plus half angle BCN 90 degree plus half of angle A. I have divided both the sides by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is half of angle MBC? Can you tell me please? Half of angle MBC equals to what?
So half of MBO.
You see, half of angle MBC means what? Angle
So
OBC?
CBO, like OBC.
OBC. What is half of angle BCN?
Sir, BCO.
OCB?
Yes, sir, OCB.
Same thing. OCB is equal to what? 90 degree plus half of A. And this is equation 3. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Now you see, again in triangle BOC, what you are getting? Angle BOC plus angle OBC plus angle OCB equals to what? 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
Am I right? Are you getting me?
Yes, sir. We are.
Now, what is the value of these two angles? Just let me know. In equation 3, we are getting equals to what?
90 degree plus half
A.
90 degree plus half of angle A is equal to, plus angle OCB is equal to what? 180 degree.
180 degree.
Now, I'm sorry, I am mistaken here. Please pay attention. Please pay attention here. It is like that. BOC is not given here. This BOC will be kept as it is. BOC plus this is equals to what? 90 degree plus half of angle A equals to 180 degree. Okay. This is BOC. It is not given here. Now, what is BOC? We have to find BOC. We have to always find this angle. So BOC equals to what? 180 minus 90 equals to 90 degree. And this is taken to the right hand side to get half of angle A. Our math is done. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Fine.
That's good. Now, like the previous math, if it is told angle A equals to 40 degree, what is angle BOC?
So 90 degree minus 20 degree.
Then BOC will be 90 degree minus
70 degree.
half of 40 degree is equal to what?
70 degree.
degrees. So if you don't know, then how you can solve your MCQ in the exam? Right?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay.
So do we have to memorize it like a formula?
It is a formula.
Oh, it is a formula. Oh, yes, sir.
Yes. But I am disappointed that you still don't know it. Sorry, don't mind.
No, okay, sir.
Anyway, suppose, okay, this, you understand? It is a triangle. Now this is the bisector. This is also bisector. You see, please, in this way, bisecting in this way. In this way, it has been bisected in this way. Now, the previous two maths have been taken in the same figure. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Where it was suppose A, B, C. It is suppose M. It is suppose N. At first O. Now name it Q. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me please what is BOC? BOC equals to what?
This
90
is
degree plus half of
90
angle.
minus half of it.
Plus.
90 degree plus half of angle, right?
Yes, sir.
So plus, so why? Wait a minute, sir.
I did it. Angle BQC what?
So you wrote minus previously, right?
Are you sure?
ওটা exterior. ওটা exterior. এটা হচ্ছে
Oh,
interior.
it's serious. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
It's okay.
Hmm.
So this is equal to 90 plus half, and
Yes,
this
sir.
is equal to 90 minus half, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If we add, then what you are getting? Angle BOC plus angle BQC equals to what? Half will be omitted, 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
That means this and this equals to what? 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you are given this angle 70 degree, then what is this angle? Can you find? Suppose it is given now 70 degree. Now can you find this angle?
Yes, sir.
It is 70, then it is 110 degree.
Yes,
The
sir,
figure
easy.
is given in the exam, and I will tell you it is 70 degree. Now what is the value of this angle? What is the measures
Yes,
of this
sir.
angle? Have got me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, time is running out, so we will again join, right? Is it?
Yes. So 9 minutes remaining.
Okay, but we'll again join, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what you are getting, this is 70 degree. This is 70 degree. So we can get it, this angle easily. Now you just listen to me, what I am going to show you. Are you getting a quadrilateral?
Yes, sir.
Are
BO.
you getting a quadrilateral?
Yes, sir.
These are the opposite angles.
Yes, angle
Yes,
Q
sir.
opposite angle O.
This angle and this angle are opposite angles.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is told that if the sum of the opposite angles is equal to 180 degree, then a circle can be drawn.
Yes, sir.
That means if the sum of the opposite angles is equal to 180 degree, then the points, what are the points? O, B, Q, C are called concyclic. Can you remember collinear?
Yes, sir.
When the points lie on the same straight line, and it is
Yes.
concyclic. It is concyclic. That means when the points, concyclic means when the points lie on the same circle.
Same circle.
So actually, we know a little bit, right? There are too many things that we don't know. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm sorry. Theorem 15 will be given in the exam.
Sir, theorem
Okay.
15 is the math of our previous class 8.
Yes, you're right. Okay, and you write down important math. You see, take out your book. Example 1. You see in example 1, question number example 1. Please page number 140. Page number 140. In example 1, you see number 2 is done. Have you seen number 2 is done?
So example 1.
Page number
Yes, sir.
140.
Yes, sir. Found it.
And number 2 upon example. Number 2 upon is done. AB plus AC greater than 2AB, like this. Okay, can you remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We did it, sir.
Yes. Example 1 and example 2. These two maths are to be done. example 1, example 2, and theorem 15. These have to be done. It is given in the book for this. I am not going to do it, but even after that, I want to do. I want to just solve it for you. Now, you have seen it. I am going to another question of exercise 6.3. We have some other questions. How many minutes are left?
Sir,
Sir,
around
5.
20, 30 or 40 seconds.
Again, around
No, sir. Remaining meeting time 5 minutes 11 seconds. It says.
5 minutes. Okay. I am going to do question number 17 and another most important math. Question number 17. You please pay attention. The most important math. Number 17. Okay. Read the question.
So number 17. So exercise number 17.
Aha, 6.3.
Yes, sir. If triangle in triangle ABC.
I know. Aha, you read it for
Oh,
yourself.
okay.
I know what is given.
Okay.
It is a triangle. It is a triangle, huh? Okay. Is it?
Yes, sir.
It is a triangle. Now you see, it is A, B, it is C. Is it that AB greater than AC? Can it be figured out from this figure that AB greater than AC? Yes, AB greater than AC.
Yes, sir.
And it is given also in the question. Angle A is to be bisected. Very good. We bisect angle A. We bisect angle A. Angle A has been bisected. This is D. Okay. We have to prove that the angle formed here, angle ADB, is an obtuse angle. Please try to understand. What I have written, angle ADB is an obtuse angle. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Construction. Go to construction. We draw AM perpendicular to BC. AM perpendicular to BC. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
AM perpendicular to BC. Okay. Now proof. You see, in triangle ADM, angle AMD equals to what? One right angle. Talk to me. See the figure.
Then in triangle AMD. Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Then can you write, therefore, can you write angle MAD plus angle DAM equals to one right angle? I mean, sum of three angles equals to two right angles. If one of them is one right angle, then definitely sum of the other two angles will be one right angle, right?
Yes, sir.
This angle and this angle. Have you seen the figure?
Math plus them. So 1 minute.
Sir,
I'm not getting
to same angle. Sir, matter dam to same angle.
MAD and DAM. Oh, I'm sorry. It is MAD and it is ADM.
DMA.
To write ADM. I'm sorry for that. Okay. ADM, huh? This angle and this angle, this angle and this angle. Have you seen? Okay, I'm sorry for that. Anyway, so what you are getting here? Uh, you just see 30 degree plus 60 degree equals to suppose 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Does it mean that 30 degree is less than 90 degree? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Can you write 60 degree less than 90 degree?
Of course, obviously.
So can we write therefore angle ADM is less than one right angle?
Yes, sir. No angle ADM.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Assalamu alaikum,
Okay.
sir.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is equation 1 or inequality number 1. Now you see, do again see please. Angle ADM plus angle ADB equals to what? Two right angles.
Yes, sir.
Why they are?
Right.
Because of being one straight angle. Actually, I am going to mentioning this angle and this angle.
180 degrees, sir. Totally.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you see. I request you not to make sound, please. You just see. Suppose you see, please. Suppose A and B are two students, okay, and they have total amount. They have. I am letting their amount. Suppose total taka 200 total, but A has less than 100. Then can you tell me what's about B?
Sir, so is what's
More
the
than
question again? More than 100, yes, sir.
What's about B? Let me know.
More than 100, sir.
More than 100. Amount of B will be more than 100. Now you see, this is less than one right angle. Am I right? So what's about this? Greater than one right angle?
ADB.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Please,
It's greater than one right angle, sir.
it is less than one right angle. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
greater than one right angle.
Hmm.
But one thing I have not mentioned or you have not demanded. B greater than 100, but there is a limit. Greater than 100 means it may be 1 lakh, 1 crore.
Yes, sir, but
B
not
greater
that.
than 100, not there. So what is its limit? B is greater than 100, but B is less than 200. Am I right or am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. You're right.
B is greater than 100 as well as B is less than 200. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, can we write? Therefore, we can write here. Therefore, angle, it is ADM less than 1. The angle ADB is greater than one right angle. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And that I told you, a limit must be given. Angle ADB greater than one right angle. That means what? Greater than one right angle means it is greater than 10
Smaller
right
than
angles.
no, sir. Smaller than two right angles.
Smaller than two right angles. Can you tell me what is the definition of an obtuse angle?
Sir, and I can say exceeding 90 degree.
Is it only or
No,
anything
sir.
else?
An angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree.
Yes. What these last two lines indicate?
So obtuse angle.
Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
Greater than one right angle but less than two right angles. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Now can we conclude that yes, angle ADB is an obtuse angle? Talk to me.
Yes, sir. So angle.
Obtuse angle. and you were told to prove that angle ADB is an obtuse angle.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, it was by me, and you will not get it anywhere. It is wholly and fully by me.
So this solution.
Of course.
Yes.
Okay. It has a solution of 3 pages. Anyway, I am going to do question number 10. Go to question number 10. Can you draw a triangle having 3 medians?
3 medians. Yes, sir.
Okay, draw a triangle having 3 medians. Question number 10. The 3 medians of an equilateral triangle. You have to draw an equilateral triangle. This is wholly and fully an equilateral triangle. Okay?
Yes,
And
sir.
you see, it is A, it is B, it is C. And we will draw 3 medians. This is a median. To draw medians, what we need? We have to determine the midpoint. We have to determine the midpoint. We have to determine the midpoint. Draw the figure.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, done.
Because if you cannot draw it in the exam hall, then 1 mark, 2 marks can be deducted. Suppose you are getting 70 out of 70. Due to not drawing correctly, you can get less mark. I think you have got me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, draw it. I think you have drawn it, right?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Now, what is to prove here? What is to prove?
Number 10, the 3. Prove that
If-
the 3 medians of
What
equilateral
is
triangle
what
are
is
equal.
given? ABC is an equilateral triangle, right?
Yes, sir.
ADBCF are median. ADBECF are medians. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
We have to prove that. To prove that AD equals to BE equals to CF. That is, the medians are equal. Are you getting me or not? Just let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let's prove. How to prove it, you see. Well, write down. AB equals to AC equals to BC. Am I right or am I right?
Sir, yes, sir.
Why they are equal?
So, AB equal to, so since it's an equilateral triangle.
Very good. You are absolutely right. Now, if we divide it by 2, that is half AB, half AC, half BC. Can we do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. What is half of AB? What
So
is half of AB?
So it's either AF or BF.
Very good. You can write it BF.
Yes, sir.
What is half of AC? CE.
Yes, sir.
What is half of BC?
It's
Right, down
either
anything.
BD or CD.
Okay, that means these are equal.
Yes, sir.
That means these are equal. It
Yes.
means these are equal. Am I right?
Yes, sir. All the half sides are equal.
Okay. Now you see, suppose I am modifying. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
Now you write down what the 2 triangles we are getting now. Can you please tell
Sir,
me? In
3
triangle.
triangles.
No. We are getting many triangles. But we can write down in triangle BCF.
BCF.
BCF and triangle BCE. Can you lay these two triangles?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now can you prove it congruent? Have you seen these are same?
Yes, sir. Oh,
So what can be written? BC equals to BC.
BCF and BC.
Common side.
Yes, sir. BC was a BC common side. Yes, sir.
From the name of the triangles, we have got it. Have you seen? And see the figure. Those two triangles are based on triangle on the side BC. Both the triangles are based on the side BC. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No. Okay. I'm sorry. Anyway, now we see what else are equal here. You see
So
just
BC.
you see BF equals to
BF equal to C.
have
Yes,
we got
sir.
it? So we can write here BF is equal to C,
CE.
and you can see the figure. Now it is a question from my side to you all. What else is to be written here to make these two triangles congruent?
So included angle B. No, sir. Vertically opposite to hobe, sir.
Ha 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 ha. Okay, anyone else here?
So I think transverse angle BFC equal to no, not that.
Only Wasi is there and nobody else.
Sir, please give me 1 minute. I'm just thinking.
Okay. Okay.
BC equal to BC.
What else is required here to make these two triangles congruent?
So angle FBC equal to
Angle
ECB,
BFC is equal to angle BC.
এটা আমি
Sir.
বললামই যে
Sir,
Just
Because BC
না
Wait.
FBC equal to ECB হবে, that equilateral triangle then অ্যাঙ্গেল গুলো ইকুয়াল হবে না, তিনটা
Sir.
সাইড ইকুয়াল মানে তিনটা অ্যাঙ্গেল ইকুয়াল।
এই শুন এটা এরকম হবে, ওই দেখ সিএফ তো মিডিয়ান না, তাহলে তো এটা অ্যাঙ্গেলের ক্ষেত্রে মিডিয়ান। ওই পুরাটা ড্র করে তুই দেখবি প্রত্যেকটা যে এডি মিডিয়ান, ওইটা দেখ এডি মিডিয়ানটা দেখ বিসি মানে অ্যাঙ্গেল বিডিসি কে টু পার্টসে ভাগ করছে, ইকুয়াল টু পার্টস, মানে কি এডিবি আর এডিসি দুইটাই 90 ডিগ্রি। এরকম সিএফবি আর বিইসি এরাও 90 ডিগ্রি।
না বাট
এটার
অ্যাঙ্গেল
কারণে
এডি তো
সবাই
আসবে না এখানে, মিডিয়ান এডি তো এখানে আইবো না।
মিডিয়ান এডি রে আনতে কইছে কে তোরে? এইসব কিছুই করতে পারে না। এই দেখ পুরাটা যখন ড্র করবি তখন সিএফ যদি অ্যাঙ্গেল এএফবি কে ইন্টারসেক্ট করে তখন এইটা ইকুয়াল টু পার্টস হবে, এএফসি আর বিএফসি এই দুইটা ইকুয়াল হবে, আর বিএফসি ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 90 ডিগ্রি। শেষ।
ও হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, তাহলে হচ্ছে কি
তাহলে সব সাইডই 90 ডিগ্রি, আর যেটার কারণে ইকুয়াল।
এই ডার্ক রেডিয়ান ট্রিপল এক্স কি সামি না? আমি এখনো বুঝতে পারিনি এটা।
ওটা সামি বেয়াদব
সামি
বুঝছ
মাম।
না?
वासी प्राइवेट है।
কি কিসে? মেসেঞ্জার, ইনস্টাগ্রাম নাকি এই জুমেরই প্রাইভেট?
Dear students, I'm sorry. Okay. Anyway, so what
Yes,
we are
sir.
getting here? What we are getting here?
Sir.
I think
Yes, sir.
you took 1 minute time, so I think you have got
Yes,
it.
sir.
Now tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Let me know.
When the median just bisect, then they create two
Okay.
equal angles and
Okay. Wait. It is an equilateral triangle. That means what? 3 sides are equal, right?
Yes sir. So আমি বলছিলাম, দেখছো আইমান, বলছিলাম না?
And 3 angles are equal.
Yes sir. Angle
Okay.
FB, yes sir.
Have you got me?
Yes,
Acha,
sir.
by the way, what is a regular triangle?
Sir, with
Regular
three,
triangle.
sir,
Regular
with three
triangle.
sides having a total angle measurement of
Wait.
180 degree.
Regular quadrilateral. Can you please tell me
Sir,
what?
a
Just let me
structure
know.
with four sides
Let
and
me wait. Let me finish. What is a regular triangle and what is a regular quadrilateral? The most important question for you. Regular triangle. That means the triangle which have three sides equal and three angles are equal.
yes, sir.
That is equilateral triangle is called a regular triangle.
Oh,
Again, what is a regular quadrilateral? What is the answer? A square or
Square.
rhombus?
the four same sides and four same angles. Rectangle or
Rhombus,
square.
rhombus is not a regular square, a regular quadrilateral because the angles are not equal.
Are not same. Square. Square is.
So answer is a square, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means we have got a regular triangle. Equilateral triangle is called a regular triangle. That means it's all the sides and all the angles are respectively equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose you see it is not given. So we are getting angle B in this triangle.
Yes, sir. So half
So
of angle.
wait, not half. You see, in triangle BCF, you see, please let me finish it first. In triangle BCF, we are getting angle B.
Yes, sir.
What is the figure? It is B. It is C. Here angle B.
Yes, sir.
So we can write. We have considered this side and this side. We have considered BF. This is BF. We have considered BC. This is BC.
BC.
So this
Yes, sir.
angle, this angle is called included angle. And none of you is telling me included angle. Included angle FBC
Yes, sir.
is equal to included angle. Now you see this one, suppose it is not given. This angle is what?
So angle,
BC.
include angle ECD.
Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
You understand or not?
No, sir. I
Because
understood, sir.
they are equal to, all of them are equal to 60 degree individually.
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone here who has failed to understand? That is, we can write here triangle BCF is congruent to triangle BCE. Okay, that is
Yes, sir.
called.
Sir, included ছাড়া লিখতে পারতাম না?
If you don't write, you will get 0 mark. That is side, angle, side. In class 7, you read that two sides and its included angle. Can you remember?
So
anyway,
which one?
in class 7, you read that two sides and its included angles.
Yes, sir. Similar or congruent?
Congruent.
Yes, sir. Congruency, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now you see, can you write here, therefore, BE, sorry, in this triangle BCF, we have to write CF. Therefore, CF is equal to BE.
Yes, sir.
Please talk to me. All of you are required to talk to me. Now, actually, our figure was like this, in this way. Okay, it was our
Yes, sir.
actual figure. Similarly, it can be proved that, write down, similarly, it can be proved that, you see, similarly, it can be proved that it is CF equals to B. Have you seen? It has been proved, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, similarly, it can be proved that in triangle, you let me know which triangles are to be taken where there is AD. You let me know which one. There is AD.
ABD. ABD.
And any triangle of these two that I took here. BCF,
AD.
BCF, suppose
Yes, sir.
BCF and BCE, I just took at first. Now, what is median here? You see, what is the median here? AD is the median. What is the median here? CF is the median. You see. Talk to me, please.
Yes, sir. AD.
I am not going to prove it else. Okay. As per equation 1, I have written it. How I have written? You see. When I prove this, what the two triangles were considered? Just let me know. BCF and BCE. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Now you see, I have to prove this. That you have to take a triangle where there is AD. This is AD. So taking AD, we have two triangles. One of them is ABD and the other is ACD.
Yes, sir.
ABD and
ACD.
and ACD. I have taken ABD, suppose, and any of these two triangles is to be taken. BCE. Now you see in these three letters, which one or which two make a median. Here median is AD. I have written AD. Here median is what? CF. I have written CF. Is it okay? Now you see the figure. Am I right or am I right? Now from 1 and 2 we get, from 1 and 2 we get AD equals to BE equals to CF. Our proof is done.
Yes, sir.
Complete, sir.
Go to question number 11.